Mr. Secretary.
You're so young.
They're the top subject matter experts, sir. NSA's recruiting right out of high school these days.
Guys, this is Secretary of Defense.
I am so underdressed.
Ladies and gentlemen, Secretary of Defense.
Please be seated. I'm John Keller. Obviously, you're wondering why you're here. So, these are the facts. At 1900 local time yesterday, Soxon Forward Operations Base in Qatar was attacked. So far as we know, there were no survivors. The objective of the attack was to hack our military network. We're not sure exactly what they're after, but we do know that they were cut off during the assault, which would lead us to assume that they're going to try it again. Now, no one's taken responsibility for the attack, and the only real lead we have so far is this sound. That's the signal that hacked our network. NSA's working at full capacity to analyze it and intercept further communications, but we need your help to find out who did this. Now, you've all shown considerable ability in the area of signals analysis. We're on a hair trigger here, people. The President has dispatched battle groups in the Arabian Gulf and the Yellow Sea. This is as real as it's ever going to get. Now, I'm going to leave you to your officer in charge to break up into teams as you start your work. Good luck to us all.
All right, I know you're probably saying to yourself, Lincoln, with 10 sisters, there's no... Friday night. You survived another week of school. Now it's time to kick back for a compliment.
Thank you.
I want you home at 11 o'clock.
Yeah, all right. 11 o'clock.
Please, for the love of God, drive safely.
Seatbelt on.
I've never seen a weapon system like this. The thermal shows this weird aura around the exoskeleton like it's cloaked by some kind of invisible force field.
That's impossible. There's no such thing as invisible force fields except, like, comic book stuff, right?
Man, I don't know.
What is that?
My mama, she had the gift, you know? She saw things. I got the gene too, and that thing that attacked us, I got a feeling it ain't over.
How about you use those magic voodoo powers to get us the hell out of here, huh?
When I took that picture, I think it saw me. It looked right at me.
All right, we gotta get this thing back to the Pentagon right away. They gotta know what we're dealing with here.
My radio's fried. I got no communication with Ariel.
Hey, my foot. How far do you live from here?
Not far. Just up that mountain.
You have a phone?
Yes.
All right, let's hit it.